So, addition of integers, paano tayo nag-add ng integers? So, if they have the same signs, we add the numbers and just copy the sign. Examples, 5 plus 4, so pareho silang positive, so we add them and we just copy the sign, so that's positive 9. 8 plus 9, again, they have the same signs, both are positive, so we add them and we just copy the sign. 9 plus 8 is positive 17. And 1 plus 11, pareho silang positive. We add the numbers and we just copy the sign. So 1 plus 11 is positive 12. So number 4, both are negative. So negative 7 plus negative 3. So we add the numbers and we just affix the sign. Negative 7 plus negative 3 is negative 10. Negative 9 plus negative 2, again, they have the same signs. We add and copy the signs. So negative 9 plus negative 2 is negative 11. And lastly, negative 12 plus negative 10, both are negative. So we add the numbers and we just affix the negative symbol. So the answer is negative 22. So, kapag opposite signs naman yung ina-add, we subtract and copy the sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. So, when we talk about absolute value, ang absolute value ng lahat ng integers, regardless of the sign, ay palaging positive. Ang absolute value ng negative 7 ay positive 7. Ang absolute value ng negative 5 ay positive 5. Ang absolute value ng positive 7 ay positive 7. Ang absolute value ng positive 5 ay positive 5. Examples. 11 plus negative 3, magkaiba yung sign. So, we subtract the numbers. So, 11 minus 3 is 8. Ang magiging sign ng ating sum ay yung sign ng number na may mas malaking absolute value. So, as compared kay 11 at negative 3, si positive 11 yung may mas malaking absolute value. So, ang sagot natin ay positive 8. Number 2, 7 plus negative 10. So, magkaiba yung signs. So, we subtract. 10 minus 7 is 3. Ang magiging sign ng ating sum ay yung sign ng number na may mas malaking absolute value. So, among the two, 7 and negative 10, ang number na may mas malaking absolute value ay si negative 10. So, ang sagot natin ay negative 3. Number 3, 15 plus negative 5. So, we subtract since magkaiba yung signs. 15 minus 5 is 10. So, ang magiging sign ng ating sum ay positive since yung number na may mas malaking absolute value ay si positive 15. Kokopyahin natin yung kanyang sign. So, the answer is positive 10. Negative 13 plus 7, magkaiba yung signs. We subtract. So, negative 13 or 13 minus 7 is 6. So, ang sign ng ating sum ay negative since yung sign ng number na may mas malaking absolute value ay negative. So, we have negative 6. Negative 8 plus 12. So, 12 minus 8 is 4. And the sign will be positive since positive 12 has the greater absolute value. So, we copy the sign of this integer, positive. So, ang magiging sagot natin ay positive 4. And lastly, negative 11 plus 4, magkaiba yung signs. We subtract. So, 11 minus 4 is positive 7. And then, yung magiging sign niya ay yung sign ni negative 11 since siya yung may mas malaking absolute value. So, the answer is negative 7.